Good morning, dear student. Today study polynomials, but we study polynomials before study some definitions. We can discuss about some definitions. It means discuss constant. Discuss constant. We know the definition of constant. Any symbol having fixed value is known as constant. It means we take examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 upon 5, 9 upon 10, something. This is having fixed value. It means a symbol having fixed value is known as constant. And second, discuss variable. A symbol having different values is called variables. It is clear? Any symbol having different values at different places is called variable. We take examples: gravity acceleration g, value 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. This is variable term because if we are going to upside from the earth, this value is going to decrease, and also if we are going to down the earth, this value is also going to decrease. It means this is not fixed value. This value have different place, have different values. It means this is variable. And take one more example: radius and area of circle. Radius, if we are going to increase radius, then also area of that circle is increases, and if decrease the area of the circle, then also decrease the radius of that circle. It means both are variable to each other because each variable depend up to each other. It is clear? And it is clear, I think. And going to algebraic expression. It is clear. Algebraic expression: the combination of constant and variable with mathematical operator is called algebraic expression. It is clear? Means the combination of variable and constant with algebraic expression is called, with mathematical operation is called algebraic expression. It means the connected are constant and variable with mathematical operator such as multiplication, division, subtraction and addition is called algebraic expression. For example, 2x. This is algebraic expression, but 2 connected by variable x with the help of multiplication. 2 is a constant, x is a variable, but both are connected with multiplication. It means 2x. And take other example: 2x square minus 10. It means 2 connected by x with multiplication, and x connected with x by multiplication, and x connected with subtraction with 10. It means both are connected to each other with the help of algebraic or mathematical operation. It means 2x square minus 10. This is algebraic expression. It is clear? And I am coming on polynomials. Okay. Polynomials is an algebraic expression in which having powers non-negative integral powers. It means any algebraic expression having powers only whole numbers. It is clear. Any algebraic expressions of variable having only whole powers is called polynomials. Nothing else. It means take examples 2x square plus 5. 2x square plus 5. It is variable having whole powers. It means 2 is a whole number. This is polynomials. This is polynomial. If 2x power minus half plus 5, it is not polynomial because power is not whole number. This is fractional number. So only having whole number powers. And if 2x to the power minus 1 plus 5, no, this is not polynomial because power is a negative term. That expression having only whole powers is known as polynomials. It is clear. It means take more examples. Means 3x square plus 2x minus 10. It is polynomials because powers 2, powers 1, powers x to the power 0 means powers 0. It is clear. All the powers of variable are whole number. So it is polynomials. According to this, I think this is clear of definition of polynomials.